Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a makeup experiment. I'm gonna call it like this because it's not a makeup tutorial because I never did anything like that before and I really don't know how that's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna try my best. This video was actually inspired by these two Instagrammers slash influencers, Nian and Yella Bambi. These are amazing. I would even say makeup artists because they do amazing makeup and they're usually so colorful, so that really inspired me to do the same thing. If you guys saw my last video, I actually wanted to get out my comfort zone for this summer. So yeah, I'm really excited. I picked up a lot of my products on Amazon because honestly I didn't want to spend a lot of money on that because I know that I won't be reusing these products so often. But let's see, maybe I'm gonna like the look and maybe I will start wearing these colors in my everyday life. I don't know. Anyways, without any further ado, so the very first thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows, and the product that I'm using is this Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. I am starting off by brushing my I need a mirror. I am starting off by brushing my brows just to make sure that they all go into the same direction because my brows are very long and they tend to literally curl. And eyebrows is actually the hardest thing to film on camera. So I'm just gonna pop up a mirror in front of me and I will try my best for you guys to see. But basically, I just start by drawing a line on top of my eyebrow and then right underneath. I'm literally gonna kiss my hairline right on my eyebrows with the tip of my pencil. Once I'm done drawing my eyebrows, I am gonna use some concealer that I'm gonna pop right under the arch of my eyebrow, and that's really gonna define my eyebrows even more and brighten up the area around my eyebrows. So the product that I'm gonna use as a concealer slash highlighter is this Fenty Beauty concealer. This is one of the Match Stix, and I am gonna use it in the shade Bamboo. So Rihanna, the founder of Fenty Beauty, actually suggested that you warm up the concealer on the top of your hand before you use it so that it can really have a creamy consistency. And I love about that product that then it kind of dries up as a powder, so it really helped me to set my makeup. And the brush that I'm using to conceal my eyebrows is from EcoTools. It's just a flat angled brush and it's really gonna be easy for me to get really close to my hairline. So I am actually gonna take the product from the top of my hand and I'm gonna try to show you guys as much as I possibly can. Then I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend the concealer in. So now, only then, I am gonna prep my skin. And the primer that I'm using is from Fenty Beauty. It is the Pro Filter Primer. You guys know I always do that to apply my makeup. My mom was applying her skincare like that, and that's why I really kept that from her. Next, I am gonna prep my eyes, and what I'm gonna do for that is, again, using the same concealer that I use for my eyebrows, and I'm gonna set the whole eye area right here to make sure that the eyeshadow just stays in place. And then I am gonna set my concealer with this NYX HD Finishing Powder. And this is in the shade Banana. Then you just want to grab a fluffy brush. This brush is from a set that I bought from BH Cosmetics. Don't forget to check out the description box below where I will list all the products and sometimes I will even have links to where I ordered them. Now I am finally ready to apply my eyeshadow and this is gonna be the fun part. I'm so excited. I'm kind of skeptical. I hope I'm gonna do a good job, but you know, I just have to jump in and try. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using is this. I don't really know who is it from. I just got it on Amazon, so I'll put a link down below. This is what the palette looks like. So the first color that I'm swapping is this orangey color right here, and it is pretty pigmented, I have to say. I think this is gonna be a great color for my base, and I'm also gonna mix it with this pinky right here. The second color that I'm gonna apply is this bright red. Next, I am gonna use this beautiful pink. Oh my god, this is so beautiful and pigmented. I love it.
It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance.
So far so good. I really like it. I know it's not perfect, but you know, it's my first time doing this kind of makeup and I think it looks really beautiful. The colors are very bright. Next, I am gonna apply some of the yellow color here. And next, I'm gonna take the same yellow color with the orange, the peachy, and the red. I'm literally gonna mix everything and I am just gonna draw a line right under my eyeline. So now I'm gonna apply a little bit of eyeliner, and the product that I'm using is this black eyeliner from MAC. Now moving on to eyeliner. I am gonna use this Handy. I'm totally saying that wrong, but these are glitter liquid eyeliner. I think I'm gonna use this beautiful pink. Okay, so I am done with my eyes and I have to say I really like the way it turned out. Honestly, first thing, I love the eyeshadow, and second thing, I love the falsies that I put on. They're so beautiful. Like, they are very long, but they're so natural. Oh my god, I'm in love. And that's a look that I really like. The application is not perfect because I am not a makeup artist, but I do like to beautify myself and I do like to do really experiments with my makeup. And I think I know what really looks good on me. So yeah, I really like it so far. Now I am gonna do the rest of my makeup. So I'm gonna apply my foundation, I'm gonna contour, conceal, and I will come back to you guys once I'm done. Alright guys, this is my final look and I am honestly pretty happy with how it turned out. I think it's really colorful and I would wear that probably if I would be going out. Like, I don't think I would go out to dinner with my girlfriends like that, or maybe yeah. So I have to say I really like the eyeshadow and I would recommend it to you. Something else that I want to say, I do not like the glitter eyeliner thingy just because they go off super quickly and you can really see, like, I swapped them on my wrist and they're already gone. So I think it's gonna be the same on my eye. I know that I had to apply so many layers for it to stay, so I would not recommend this product. The eyelashes are amazing. Like, I really love the eyelashes, so I'm definitely gonna put a link down in the description box. But yeah, that is it for today. Let me guys know, what do you think? I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.